Hey guys, it's Brad. So this week we're going to be doing some baler work. A couple weeks ago we had some problems with our cam roller guides, which are right in there. Not sure if you can see that. What they do is they determine the angulation of the pickup teeth on the head here. And we had a failure a couple weeks ago where one went completely missing. That was on the case SBX 540 over there. But we decided we're going to do all of the roller bearings in both balers, just for a little preventative maintenance. Picked up some of these guys on the internet, made out of the highest quality Chinesium money can buy. So we'll see how they work. And yeah, so I got 11 of them. The New Holland 570 here takes 5, and its bigger brother, the case, takes 6 of them. And these are pretty much the same baler, except for the fact that that case has a 10-inch wider pickup head and an extra tooth bar and a couple other things. But other than that, they're pretty identical. So yeah, we're gonna get going here. Hope you enjoy it.
You're my first love. You're my first love. You're my first love. You're my first
So you can see the difference here. between the old ones that failed, the amount of play that they have between the inner and outer race, and the new ones, which are nice and tight. So that's it for that. Did have one pretty interesting takeoff there. Half the threads on the nut came off with the bolt, or vice versa. But other than that, pretty quick, easy, painless process. 11 new bearings and 2 balers. Be sure to check out my Instagram at b.boomhauer, and we'll see you later.